Hi there, my name is Kyla Plaxton. I'm with the Acupressure Academy. I'm an acupressurist and I teach acupressure. So I'm a practitioner and an instructor. Today I'm going to show you how to use acupressure points to relieve symptoms of menstruation pain. I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button and share this video if you know anybody dealing with menstruation pain. The acupressure points we're going to cover today are stomach 44, spleen 6, and large intestine 4. I'm not going to go into why they're named those things. That'll be in another video, and I'll put those in the link. I'm going to show you where those are, and you don't need to know much about them for them to work really powerfully, okay? So also what you're going to get with today's lesson is the recipe that you can download and print off and put up, okay? And I highly, highly recommend that you practice these points every single day, either during your menstruation or in the week before, as you know, a lot of pain can also happen premenstrual, and there's lots of stigma and stuff around that, right? So as much as support and love that I can give you, try to practice that every day while you have pain to help support you. Okay, so the first one is on the foot. It's a little bit awkward here. So I've just brought the camera down on my foot here, and I really want to show you self-application so that you can do this comfortably in your own home. Now how you're going to find it is you're going to go two toes out from the outside, so 1, 2, and right between that middle toe and the second toe here, right in the crease there, you can hold it and push in here. Now this is going to draw all the energy kind of down, like ground that energy, and also circulate the blood, the breath, just everything that the energy will move, will start to flow down toward the bottom. So you want to push it hard enough so that you feel it, but not too hard that it hurts. So a nice firm pressure. And when you're holding an acupressure point, you're going to go into a bit of a meditative inward state. So close your eyes, slow your breathing, and really be present to the point. Notice how it feels. Okay, this is stomach 44. Okay, now I'm going to show you acupressure point spleen 6, and I'm showing you on the ground again. This one's down on the ankle, so you're going to start with the knobby bone here right at the foot, and then you're going to take your hands. Now, how the Chinese measured, it's called chun or sun, or pronounced a few different ways, but your fingers became like a measurement for finding the pressure points, okay? So this works on your own body. If you're finding them on somebody else, use their fingers, okay? So you're gonna put 4 fingers above this ankle bone, go all the way up, and then it's on the other side here. Now it's up against the bone. There's the inner bone here, so you're gonna push right up against that bone. This will be tender on a lot of women and men. This is a very powerful point. It's all about regulating the blood, also the hormones. It again will ground you. If you're sensitive, you will feel it. Now if you see my finger looks a bit awkward pressing in here, you see the white on my finger, like I'm pressing firmly, but don't push so hard again that your body reacts to it, like your body is going into defense mode and tightening up. It's often described as like a good kind of hurt. And again, you want to close your eyes, go into an inward state, slow the breath down, and be present to the point. It's really important for, if you need to kind of take some time and just be with these acupressure points, kind of make it your own and follow your own rhythm, okay? So next I'm going to show you acupressure point large intestine 4, and how you're going to find that is directly on the hand. This is one of the most common acupressure points. If you're into TCM or traditional Chinese medicine, that's what it stands for, acupuncture, Eastern philosophy at all, I'm sure you have come across this point. Okay, but it's called large intestine 4. One thing I want to say too is that these points are on both sides of the body. That's important. So you can hold, except for the hand ones, it's hard, but you can go back and forth to hold them. But with stomach 44, you can hold both at the same time. With spleen 6, you can hold both at the same time. And with large intestine 4, you can go back and forth, okay? So how you're going to find it is you're going to find it right on the crease between the finger and the thumb. Okay, so you're gonna go into this crease area and then you push pretty hard, so it's a little bit awkward, but I go in, here, let's see, push in toward the pointer finger on the ledge there and push directly in. Sometimes if somebody asks me, what's acupressure, I will hold this point on them and press hard so that their body can know it, like can understand it. Often you might also find that you do kind of know these acupressure points. I believe that they are built in, but that we have a right to know them and that we intuitively already are drawn to these points. So push into the ledge here, push down into the bone, against the bone on the finger, and go into an inward state. Close your eyes and breathe. You can rest your hands on your lap, or if you're laying down, before bed, you can do that too. One of the ways that you can know that an acupressure point has released is there'll be like a letting go, like all of a sudden the body will naturally just kind of like take a breath without like you guiding it. And that's a really good sign that the energy has started to move. So to avoid watching this over and over every day, I invite you to download the recipe PDF that I made for you that goes with this video. So it has the pressure points in there, and you can print that off, pin it up, or just save the PDF on your phone and practice that every day or night, once a day, while you're dealing with these issues. And I would love to hear how it's going for you. If you notice the pain decreasing right away, or if it takes a couple days or weeks, or noticing, because we have it once a month, that it starts to decrease once a month. Now, I used acupressure to help me decrease my my menstruation pain, and I barely notice it's there anymore, other than the obvious physicalness of it. But it only lasts for a couple days. There's no pain. Honestly, I quite enjoy it, and so I want to give that that gift to you. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified for upcoming acupressure recipes on this channel. And if you know anybody who's dealing with menstruation pain, it's pretty common, I highly recommend you sharing this video with them as well, and let's try to help as many women, females, as we can. Thank you so much, and have a really great day. Peace, love, and acupressure.